Hello students, welcome to the fifth lecture on the lecture series on averages. Okay, in the previous lecture we were doing some similar questions that are usually being asked in previous year papers. So let's go forward and solve more similar questions. Okay, so we'll be solving similar questions to PYQ. Okay, PYQ similar questions. Okay, so this is the fifth lecture in this lecture series. So let's go forward with problem number 1. So find the average of first 20 multiple of 7. Okay, so it asks us to calculate the average of first 20 multiple of 7. So before calculating for 20 multiple of 7, let's remember the formula for average. So average is actually equal to what? Cumulative sum whole by number of indices or number of numbers. Okay, so it is cumulative sum. So this is equal to what? So cumulative sum will be what? So let's see the first 20 multiples of 7. So first number that is a multiple of 7 is what? It is 7 itself, and the second was 7 into 2 because this is 7 into 1. So continuing this process, what will be left with us is 7 into 3 and 7 into 20. Okay, so we'll have 20 indices here. Okay, so we have 20 indices. Okay, so adding these ones. Okay, so it will be what? So cumulative sum will be, so cumulative sum is actually equal to what? 7 plus 7 into 2 plus 7 into 3 plus plus 7 into 20, right? So we can write like this. Okay, so whole by 20. If we want to calculate the average, that is 20. Okay, so this will be equal to what? Taking the 7 common, what will be left with us? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus plus 20. And if you can remember or not, I don't know, but we have a formula for the sum of first n natural numbers is equal to what? N into n plus 1 by 2. So here you can see that we have a addition of 20 up to 20. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 20. So it will be equal to 20 into 20 plus 1 is equal to 21 whole by 2. So it will be 21 into 10, that is equal to 210. Okay, that is multiplied with 27. So average is equal to 7 into 210. Okay, so 210 whole divided by what? 20, right? So cancelling a 0 out from numerator and denominator, what we are left with is 7 into 21 by 2. So 7 into 21 is equal to what? It will be 147, right? This much by 2. So it will be 73.5. So it will be 73.5. So among these 5 options, only this option is correct. That is 73.5. So this is the correct option. Okay, these are wrong. These are all wrong options. Okay, so let's go forward with the step-by-step solution to verify our answer. So average is equal to what? 7 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 20 whole by 20, right? So 7 into 20 into 21 whole by 20 into 2. So here we have used the formula Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 whole by 2, and Sn is equal to what? 1 plus 2 plus n, where n belongs to natural number. Okay, so that is the sum of first n natural numbers. So this is equal to what? N into n plus 1 by 2, right? So this by 2, so it will be 20 into 21 whole by 2, that is equal to 21 into 10, that is equal to 210. So we have this, that is 73.5 is the correct answer here. Okay, among these 4 options, 73.5 is the correct one. So let's go forward with problem number 2 and see what it brings to the table. So the average marks obtained by 100 candidates. So we have 100 candidates, right? In an examination are 45. Okay, average marks of the 100 candidates is 45 in that examination. So average marks of the passed students are 50, while the average marks of the failed student is 40. Then find the number of students who passed the exam and who failed the exam. Okay, so let's calculate the number of students who passed the exam. So let x students passed. So failed how many? So 100 minus x failed, right? But the cumulative sum of all the indices is equal to what? It will be 100. So number of indices is equal to 100. So let's denote those people by A1, A2, and dot 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 a 100. Okay, because we have 100 students. So let's say, okay, so what we want to calculate, we have is a1 plus a2 plus dot 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 a 100 whole by 100 is equal to, it is given to us as what, this is as 45. So their cumulative sum is equal to what? So cumulative sum will be 45, 100 is equal to a1 plus a2 plus a 100. Okay, so cumulative sum of all the students that have passed will be what? So cumulative past is equal to, so cumulative past is equal to what? Since x number of students passed, so x into what, 50, that is equal to 50x. And cumulative students of number of student, cumulative sum of failed students is equal to what? So cumulative of failed is equal to 100 minus x into 40, right? So this is equal to 4000 minus 40x. Okay, so adding these two numbers must be equal to what? This amount. So this implies that what? So 50x plus 4000 minus 40x is equal to 4500. So this implies that, so it will be what? 500 is equal to 10x. So this implies that x is equal to 5. Okay, 5, it will be 50, because 50 into 10 is equal to this much amount. Okay, so the number of students that actually passed is equal to 50. So C is the only correct answer here. So this one is the correct one. So option B, D and A, these are all wrong. So number of students that failed is equal to what? So number of failed student is equal to 100 minus 50, that is equal to 50. So number of failed student will also be what? 50. Okay, so it will be 50. Let's go forward and see the step-by-step solution to verify our answer. So let P be the past student and failed student is equal to F. So given that 45 into 100 is equal to what? 50 into P plus 40 into F. So P plus F is equal to 100. We can assume right from here. So this implies that F and P will get P is equal to 50. Okay, so this is the shortcut method, and we can go for the formal method also. Okay, so let's go forward with problem number 3. Okay, so there are 50 students in a class in which boys are 8 more than the girls. Okay, so number of girls is equal to, let x, and number of boys is equal to x plus 8, and given to us that their sum is equal to 50. So x plus 8 is equal to what? It is equal to 50. So this implies that 2x plus 8 is equal to 50. So this implies that 2x is equal to 42. So this implies that x is equal to 21. So number of girls in the class is 21 and number of boys is equal to 29. Okay, so boys are what? 29 and girls are 21. We can deduct from here. So average weight of all the students is what? 50.5. So 50 into 50.5 is equal to what? So whatever it is equal to the cumulative sum, right? So the average weight of all the girls is 48.5. Okay, so average weight of all the girls is 48.5. So 48.5 into what? Number of girls is equal to 21. So this is equal to cumulative sum of girls. Okay, so we want to calculate the what? Cumulative sum of boys. So average of boys is equal to, average of boys is equal to cumulative sum of boys. So cumulative boys by number of indices, that is equal to number of boys, that is equal to 29, right? So this is equal to what? Cumulative sum of boys will be what? Cumulative sum. So it will be cumulative sum negated with cumulative sum of girls. Okay, so this by what? 29. So we can evaluate here that it will be what? It will be 50 into 50.5 minus 48.5 minus 48.5 into 21 whole by 29. So this will represent the average weight of all the boys. So let's see the step-by-step solution. So let the number of girls be what? X. So number of boys is equal to x plus 8. So their addition is what? Is equal to 50 according to the question. So x is equal to 21 and number of boys is equal to 29 because it will be 21 plus 8 is equal to. Okay. So total weight of students is equal to 50 into 50.5, that is equal to 25 kg. So total weight of girls is equal to what? 21 into 48.5 is equal to 1018.5 kg. So weight of all boys is equal to what? 2025 minus 1018.5. So that will be actually equal to 1506.5 kg. So average weight of all boys is equal to 1506.5 whole by 29. That is nothing but approximately 52 kilogram. Okay. So among these 5 options, only this one is the correct one. And D, C and A and E, these are all wrong options. Okay. So you can see the approach here. The same approach is assumed here. Okay. So let's see the problem number 4. So average weight of a class is 70 kilogram. Okay. And average weight of boys in the class is 90 kilogram. Okay. And ratio of boys and girls is 5:4. Okay. If there are 81 students in the class, so given that 81 is equal to what? 5x plus 4x. Let the common factor for the number of girls and number of boys is equal to x. So then we can write this. Okay. From this statement and this statement we can reduce this one. So this implies that 9x is equal to 81. So this implies that x is equal to 9. So we can reduce this. So number of boys is equal to number of boys is equal to what? 5x, that is equal to 5 into 9. That is nothing but 45. Okay. So the remaining one, that is 81 minus 45, that is equal to what? 4 into 9, that is equal to 36. Okay. This much girls. Okay. So we want to calculate what? Average weight of girls in the class. Okay. Average weight of the class is this much amount and average weight of boys is equal to this much. So average total weight of class or cumulative sum of all the weights in the class is equal to 70 into 81, right? So total weight of boys is equal to what? 90 into number of boys is equal to 45. So subtracting the total weight of boys from total weight of class, we can evaluate. So 70 into 81 minus 90 into 45 is equal to total weight of girls. Okay, I can see this. So this implies that average of girls is equal to 70 into 81 minus 90 into 45 whole by 36. Okay. So let's see the step-by-step solution to arrive at the proper answer. So number of boys in the class is equal to what? 81 into 5 by 9, that is equal to 45. And number of girls in the class is equal to what? 81 into 4 by 9 is equal to 36. So required average of girls is equal to 70 into 81 minus 45 into 90 whole by 36. Okay, because number of girls is equal to 36. So 5670 minus 4050 whole by 36, that is equal to 45 kilogram. So 45 kilogram is the correct answer here. Let's see the problem number 5. So average weight of a group is what? 35 kilogram. So if a student having weight of 45 kilogram left the group, then the average weight of the group is decreased by 1 kilogram. Then find the number of people in the group initially. Okay, given that average weight of a group is what? 35 kilogram. Okay, and if a student having weight of 45 has left the group, okay, then the average of the group is decreased by 1 kg. Then find the number of people in that group. Okay, so let total number of students is equal to x. So 35x minus 45. Okay, because it will be the cumulative sum minus 45 is equal to what? 34 into x minus 1. So solving this algebraically, what we are left with is 35x minus 45 is equal to 34x minus 34. So x is believed to be 11. Okay, so 11 will be the correct answer, because initially 11 people were there, then 1 left and it became 10, right? So let's go forward with problem number 6. So in a match of 50 overs, okay, Indian team's average run for the first 30 overs was 5 runs per over, while the remaining 20 overs the average was what? 4.5 runs per over. Okay, so match was what? Of 50 overs, so it was a ODI, one day international game. So India team's average run for the first 30 over was 5 runs. So cumulative up to 30 is equal to what? 30 into 5, that is equal to 150 runs. So at the end of 30 overs, India batted for 150 runs. Okay, while the remaining 20 overs, the average was 4.5. So cumulative of 30 to 50, that is for the 20 over, is equal to what? 4.5 into 20, that is equal to 45 into 2 is equal to 90 runs. Okay, so in the whole, so cumulative, so CUMM total, so cumulative total is equal to what? 150 plus 90, that will be equal to 240 runs. So at the end of the first innings, what India scored was 240 runs. Okay, so Pakistan team chased the target and lost by 10 runs. Okay, so Pakistan chased the total and target and lost by 10 runs. So Pakistan total is equal to, so Pakistan total is equal to what? 240 minus 10, right? So this will be 230 runs. So this is the amount of runs that Pakistan made. Okay, then find the average runs per over scored by Pakistan team. Okay, so average score will be what? So 230 by 50. So it will be equal to, cancelling the zeros out, 23 by 5. Okay, so let's see whether 23 by 5 is what. So it will be 4.4. Okay, so A is the correct answer here. B, D, C and E, these are all wrong answers because, okay, 4.4 will be wrong, 4.6 will be the correct answer because 6 into 5 is equal to what? 30. So it will be 4.6 into 5 is equal to 23. Okay, so D is only correct option here. So this is the correct one. Okay, let's see the step-by-step solution. So total runs scored by Pakistan team is equal to what? So 30 into 5 plus 20 into 4.5 minus 10 is equal to 230. So required answer is equal to 230 by 50. So cancelling a 0 out, what we are left with is 4.6. So this is the correct answer here. So let's see problem number 7. So the average age of a group having 3 members is equal to 84. Okay, so cumulative sum is equal to what? Cumulative sum is equal to 84 into 3, right? So if one more person joins the group and now the average becomes 80. So 80 into 4 is equal to 320, right? So this is equal to 80 into 3 is equal to 44 into 3 is equal to 12. So 240, so 252. So this is 320. So the average weight of that person is equal to, fourth person is equal to what? So weight of 4 is equal to, weight of fourth person is equal to 320 minus 252. So 250 would have been 70, so it will be 68 kg, right, of that fourth person. So this must, so now the fifth person comes whose age is, so their age will be what? It is not kg, it is years, right? Okay, so now the fifth person comes whose age is 3 years more than that of the fourth person. Okay, so fourth person age is 68, so the fifth person has age is equal to, so it is age. Okay, so age of 5 is equal to what? 68 plus 3, because he is 3 years more than that of the fourth person. Okay, replaces the first person. Okay, so what happens is it replaces the first person. Okay, now the average of the group becomes 79. Okay, so what is the age of the first person? Okay, so let the ages of these are A, B, C, D, E. Okay, there are 5 persons. This is the first, second, third, 4 and 5. So A plus B plus C is equal to 83 into 3, that is equal to 252. We have evaluated it. So A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 80 into 3, so 320 year. Okay, so D is equal to what? 320 minus 252, that is equal to 68. We have also evaluated this. So E is equal to what? 68 plus 3 is equal to 71. So B plus C plus D plus E is equal to 79 into 4 is equal to 316. And A plus B plus C plus D minus B plus C plus D plus E is equal to 320 minus 316, that is equal to what? 4. Okay, so A minus E is equal to 4. So this implies that A is equal to 71 plus 4 is equal to 75. So A must be 75 years old. So the correct answer among these is, this one is the only correct answer. Option B, option D, option C and option E. These are all wrong answers. Okay. So Let's go forward with problem number 8. So average age of A, B, C is actually 20 years. Okay. So average age of B is equal, B and C is what, 12 years. Okay. So A plus B plus C is equal to 20 into 3. That is equal to 60. Okay. Their cumulative sum will be 60 years. So average of B and C is equal to, so B plus C is equal to what? 12 into 2. So that is equal to 24. So when A was born, okay. So find the age of C after 6 years, okay. Whether it is 39 years, 29, 33, 27 or cannot be defined. Let's see, okay. So it tells us that find the age of C. Find the age of C after 6 years, okay. So let's see the step-by-step solution. So A plus B plus C is equal to 60, B plus C is equal to 24. Age of C can't be determined. So E is the correct answer here. Okay. So let's go forward with problem number 9. So there are 6 consecutive odd numbers. Okay. So we have already learned how to get 6 consecutive odd numbers. It will be 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 plus 2, 2x plus 1 plus 4, 2x plus 1 plus 6, 2x plus 1 plus 8. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So another one. So 2x plus 1 plus 10. Okay. So their cumulative sum will be what? There are 6 consecutive odd numbers. If the product of first and second number is this much, then find the average of all the numbers. Okay. So it is told to us that they are what? They are multiplication. That is the of the first and second. So 2x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 plus 2. Right. So this will be equal to 2x plus 1. So it will be y plus 1 y into y plus 2. This is given as 670. So this implies that y square plus 2y minus 675 is equal to 0. So solving this quadratically, okay. So we can solve this quadratically. So let the 6 consecutive odd numbers be this. Okay. So 2n minus 3 into 2n minus 1 is equal to 675. So this will be equal to 25 into 27, right? So the 6 consecutive numbers are 25, 27, 29, 31 and 33 and 35. So average of all the numbers will be what? 29 plus 31 by 2. Because their common difference is same, so we can use the arithmetic progression, and so it will be an arithmetic progression. And what we can, how we can evaluate its average? We can add the middle two terms and divide it by 2. That is equal to 30 in this case. So let's go forward with problem number 10. So the ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls is 5:3. The average of whole class is x, that is given as x, and the average of girls is x plus 2. Then find the average of age of boys in the class. Okay. So let's go forward with the step-by-step solution. So ratio of number of boys to girls is equal to given 5:3 as given here. Okay. So average age of the whole class is equal to x. So average age of girls is equal to x plus 2. So the total number of boys in the class is equal to 5z. Okay. So the total number of girls in the class is equal to 3z. So average age of boys in the class is equal to a. So 5z into a plus 3z into x plus 2 is equal to what? 5z plus 3z into x. So converting this word problem, what we are left with is 5a is equal to 5x minus 6. So a is equal to x minus 1.2, because this implies that a is equal to what? 5 by 5x minus 6 by 5. Okay. So this is equal to, so this will be 1.2, right? So x minus 1.2 is the correct answer. So among all these options, this is the correct one. These are all wrong options right here. Okay. Let's go forward with problem number 11. So average weight of 40 students in a class is 15. So their cumulative sum will be 40 into 15 is equal to cumulative sum. Okay. So it is given that the number of girls in the class are 40% less than the number of boys in the class. So let number of boys is equal to what? X. Then number of girls is equal to what? So is equal to number of boys, right? Then number of girls is equal to 1 minus, so it will be what? X minus 0.4x, that is equal to 0.6x. So given that x plus 0.6x is equal to 40. So this implies that 1.6x is equal to 40. So this implies that x is equal to 400 by 60. So it will be 100 by 4, that is equal to 25. Okay, so x is equal to 25, that is the number of students in the class. Boys is 25 among 40 students. Okay, so what is told to us that 40% less than the number of boys in the class. Okay, so the average weight of girls is what? 12 kilogram. Then find the difference between the average weight of boys and weight of girls in the class. Okay, so total weight in the class is equal to 15 into 40 is equal to 600 kg. So according to the question, boys plus girls is equal to 400. So b minus 40b by 100, because 40% less than the number of boys, right? So it is equal to 40. This implies that b is equal to 15 and b is equal to 25, g is equal to 15. Okay, so total weight of girls is equal to 15 into 12, so that will be 180 kilogram. So total weight of boys is equal to 600 minus 180, that is equal to 420 kilogram. Okay, so average weight of boys is equal to what? 420 by 25, that is equal to 16.8 kilogram. So required difference is 16.8 minus 12, so it will be 4.8 kilogram, right? So let's go forward with problem number 12. So the average of 5 numbers is 49, right? So the average of first and the second numbers is what? 48. So the average of the fourth and fifth number is 28. So what is the third number? Is it 92, 91, 95, or cannot be determined, or none of these? So third number is equal to what? 5 into 49 minus 2 into 48 minus 2 into 28. That will be equal to 248 minus 96 minus 56. That is equal to 93. So among these options, 93 is the correct one. So since 93 is not here, so it will be none of these. Okay, so this is the correct one, because it is not true that it cannot be determined. We have determined it to be 93. Okay, so that's enough for today. Thank you.